Welcome, everyone, to this comprehensive industrial design masterclass. Over the course of this program, I am not just going to teach you software commands. I am going to teach you how to think like a real-world industrial engineer. To do that, we will be modeling and assembling a complete production-ready ride onto a complex, multi-component design that I personally developed during my time working in the industry. We will take this project step by step through the exact life cycle used in modern manufacturing across 5 distinct phases. Phase 1. Advanced Part Modeling. We will sketch and model every individual component, mastering essential and advanced features like extrudes, revolves, sweeps, and lofts. Phase 2. Master Assembly and Mates. You will learn how to bring all these separate parts into a single workspace, utilizing standard, advanced, and mechanical mates to make our mechanism move realistically. Phase 3. Design Evaluation and Testing. We will run professional interference and clearance checks to catch design flaws digitally before they ever cost money in production. Phase 4. Exploded Views and Motion. You will create dynamic exploded animations to showcase exactly how the internal parts assemble and function. Phase 5. Manufacturing Drawings and BOM. Finally, we will translate our 3D model into 2D space, generating clean blueprints, precise annotations, and an automated bill of materials BOM ready for the workshop floor. By the end of this course, you won't just know how to use the tools, you will possess the practical, industry-tested skills required to take a complex mechanical concept and turn it into a reality. Let's get started with Phase